Let me ask you something. If you work in finance, are you sure your job still belongs to you? Because right now, quietly, behind the scenes, AI is doing analyst work faster than analysts. It's writing research notes, it's building valuation models, it's scanning earnings calls in seconds, it's spotting market patterns before humans even wake up. And Wall Street? They're not asking if AI will replace jobs, they're asking how fast. So today on Money Fandom, we're breaking down the real question, your job versus AI. Who actually wins? And if you work in finance, accounting, trading, banking, this might hit close to home. Let's get into it. Section 1. The game has already changed. A lot of people think AI is coming. Now, it's already here. Big banks, hedge funds, asset managers, they're pouring billions into AI systems. Why? Because AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't take vacations. It doesn't ask for bonuses. And it doesn't panic during market volatility. If you're an financial analyst, trader, portfolio manager, risk officer, accountant, investment banker, AI is already touching parts of your workflow, not replacing everything overnight, but automating pieces. And once pieces get automated, headcount starts shrinking. That's just business. Section 2. What AI is actually doing in finance. Let's keep it real. No sci-fi hype. Here's what AI is actually handling right now. Number 1. Research and analysis. AI tools can scan 10K filings in seconds, summarize earnings calls instantly, detect tone shifts in CEO language, compare financial metrics across thousands of companies. That junior analyst who used to build comparison spreadsheets? AI does that in minutes. Brutal. Number 2. Trading and market prediction. High-frequency trading firms already rely heavily on algorithmic systems. Machine learning models detect momentum shifts, identify liquidity zones, predict volatility spikes. Retail traders are looking at charts. AI is analyzing thousands of variables simultaneously. You can't compete on speed. You compete on strategy. Number 3. Risk and compliance. Banks use AI for fraud detection, anti-money laundering monitoring, credit risk scoring, stress testing portfolios. Before, that took teams. Now it takes code plus oversight. Number 4. Automation of back-office work. Accounting reconciliations, invoice processing, report generation. AI is crushing repetitive tasks. If your job is 80% repetition, that's a red flag. Section 3. The jobs most at risk. Let's not sugarcoat it. The roles most vulnerable are junior financial analysts, entry-level accountants, basic research associates, operations staff doing repetitive reporting, simple underwriting roles. If your value is I gather data and build spreadsheets, AI can already do that, and it's getting better every quarter. But here's the twist. It's not just entry-level. Even mid-level professionals are feeling pressure. Because companies don't need 10 analysts if 3 AI-powered analysts can do the same output. That's the cold reality. Section 4. The jobs AI can't easily replace. Now, before you panic and start rewriting your resume, let's breathe. AI is powerful, but it still struggles with human negotiation, relationship building, high-level strategy, ethical decision-making, client trust. Investment banking deals? Still human-driven. Private equity relationship sourcing? Still human. Wealth management client trust? Very human. The future isn't AI replaces everyone. It's AI replaces tasks. Humans who don't adapt get replaced. Big difference. Section 5. How to stay ahead. Here's where it gets empowering. If you work in finance, you have 2 options. Option A, compete against AI. Option B, use AI. Guess which one wins? You need to learn AI tools relevant to your role, automate parts of your own workflow, become the person who understands both finance and technology, because the most valuable professionals in 2026 aren't just finance experts, they're finance plus tech hybrids. If you can interpret AI outputs, validate models, combine machine insights with human judgment, you become harder to replace. Companies don't fire the person who knows how to run the system. They fire the person who ignores it. Section 6. The bigger picture. Productivity boom or job crisis? There are 2 narratives happening right now. Narrative 1, AI destroys jobs, massive layoffs, corporate cost-cutting. Narrative 2, AI boosts productivity. Companies grow faster. New roles emerge. Reality? It's both. Yes, some roles shrink, but new roles are already appearing. AI risk supervisors, financial data engineers, quantitative model validators, AI compliance officers, tech-driven portfolio strategists. Every technological revolution kills some jobs and creates others. The question is, are you evolving with it or watching from the sidelines? Section 7. The Wall Street Reality Check. Wall Street isn't emotional, it's efficient. If AI increases profits, lowers costs, and reduces errors, it's getting adopted. Fast. And let's be honest, if you were running a hedge fund and AI could increase returns by 2% annually, you'd use it too. So this isn't about fear, it's about awareness. The finance industry is shifting from human-only decisions to human plus machine intelligence. And the people who survive? They're adaptable. They're tech-literate. They understand leverage. Final message. Your job versus AI isn't a fight, it's a partnership, if you're smart. Ignore AI, you risk becoming outdated. Master AI, you become more powerful than ever. Because at the end of the day, AI doesn't replace ambitious people. It replaces complacent ones. And on Money Fandom, we don't stay complacent. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you think AI will boost finance careers or wipe them out? Let's talk about it.